Welcome back, guys. Today I'm back with the model called Whipsy. Whipsy is a follow bot consisting of a whipper as well. So basically, if you're like me, I have a huge dump of Legos. It's hard to find specific objects that I need to make a robot or to make a model or something like that. So basically, today this Whipsy consists of four sensors: two touch sensors, one color sensor, one ultrasonic sensor, two large motors which are here at the back, one medium motor with a pulley system. So the bigger pulley giving power to the smaller pulley allows the whipper to move faster than its normal speed, which is directly connected to the medium motor, and the tire helps to prevent hurting yourself using the speed of the axle, and for emergency cases you can stop it using the tire because it generates heat, but it's not as powerful as a mixer, so it won't be sharp, so you can stop the whipper in emergency cases only. So the three colors, green, yellow, red, represent the traffic signal. Red meaning the fastest speed, yellow meaning medium speed, and green meaning lowest speed. The program consists of four switches, one loop, and medium motor commands. And for the follow bot, there is another program which I'll be explaining further in the video. So let's try the demonstration. So let's first go for the lowest speed. So I'll scan the green color in front of the color sensor, like so. Once it is scanned, I'll hold the medium motor in my palm, keeping my two fingers near the tire but not touching them. When I press this touch sensor, it will start spinning. And when I want to stop it, I can just press the other touch sensor. So let's try the yellow one now. I scan the yellow one. Now I'll press the touch sensor. It's a little faster, but not as fast as its maximum speed. So let's stop it and try with the red one. Just scan the red one. So be aware it's going to move at its maximum speed. You can. So guys, this is the program for the follow bot. Basically, so in this program, I've kept a loop, so it goes on in a loop, and the ultrasonic sensor will be measuring the distance continuously. So when the ultrasonic sensor measures that the distance is greater than 50 centimeters, it will keep the motor on until the distance is less than 50 or is equal to 50. So once it measures it is equal to or less than 50, it will stop. I forgot to show you the program for the Whipsy. So this is the program for the Whipsy. So here, this block indicates that the color sensor, until the color sensor measures any color, it won't go on into the loop. So once it measures the color sensor, it goes into the switch. Switch will measure which color. If it's green, then the touch sensor, once it is pressed, if it is pressed, then it will move at the speed of 25. For 3 seconds to get the next command to stop the Whipsy, and once it gets the other touch sensors command that it has been pressed, it will stop working. Same with yellow, but it will move faster, and at red it goes at maximum speed, as you can see. If I want to, I can move it in counterclockwise, clockwise, or zero.